Good morning. Today we are doing our letter N alphabet page, and yours looks a little bit different than mine. Mine is on white, yours is on blue. And with yours, you're gonna have some black pieces of paper and some stars. So let's go ahead and get started. Mine is on white so that you can see it better. So our page today says N is for night. So let's get something out to do our tracing with, and let's get started. We're not going to do this big N yet, okay? We're gonna point to the uppercase N that's on the bottom of our first line down here. So let's pull one line down, touch the top, and remember we go down and then right back up. Lowercase n, one line down and come right back up with your hump over. Next is I, one line down, dot the top. Next is S, start at the top and we curve it all the way down. Next is F, start at the top with your hook, pull straight down, cross the middle. Our next letter is O, always start at the top and go all the way back around. The last letter on this line is an R, one line down, come right back up with that hook. Lowercase n, down here, let's start at the top. We pull down, come right back up over with your hump. Next is I, one line down with a dot. The next one is G. Remember, we make our circle first all the way around. Make sure you have that circle first. And then we pull that stick down with our hook. Next is H. Tall stick down, come right back up and over with that hump. And the last letter is a T, one line down, cross the middle. Very good, and let's mark the period at the end. So with this big uppercase N, let's trace with our fingers. One line down, then we touch the top, and we come down and then back up. Now what we're going to do with this is you have 3 pieces of black paper, okay? 2 are a little bit shorter and 1 is a little bit longer, all right? So I want you to take the longer one and set that aside right now, okay? We don't want to use the longer one yet. And we're gonna use our glue stick, and just like we would write our uppercase N, I want you to trace your glue stick along that first line down. Okay, one line down. And those 2 pieces of paper that we had set aside that were the same height, we're gonna choose one of them. And we're gonna put that right over that glue stick line. Okay? Now we have the tall one left and the shorter one. So the next thing we're going to do with our glue stick is make a glue line down on the diagonal, and let's put our taller piece of paper, okay, the taller one, the bigger one, the longer one, right over that line, okay? And then we're gonna use our glue stick to come right back up that last line. And our last one left, we are going to put right there. So we made an N out of those pieces of paper. The reason that we had to save that long one is because that middle line is a longer line. So now what you have is some stars. So on your black pieces of paper, on your big letter N, you are going to place some of those stars, because it says N is for night. And what do we see out in the sky at night, in the black sky? We see stars when it's a clear night anyway. Sometimes you might see the moon, but it is always nice to see those stars. So you can put some glue, stick on those stars any anywhere you'd like. It could even be on your blue paper around it. That's totally fine. However you want to decorate is great. So, whoops, there we go. Ah, I had a star fall. It was a shooting star. Anyway, I hope you had a fun time making your N is for Night alphabet page, and I will see you soon, okay? Bye.